Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, your guide to navigating the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Today's topic is one you've been waiting for: entrepreneurship hacks to get rich in no time. Now let's be real, there's no magic formula to instant wealth, but there are smart strategies and hacks that can significantly speed up your journey to financial success. Let's dive right in and discover how to work smarter, not harder, to build your wealth. 1. Focus on high-profit opportunities. The first hack: focus on high-profit opportunities. Not all businesses are created equal. Some industries have razor-thin margins, while others offer incredible returns. For example, digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software often have low production costs and high profit potential. Similarly, service-based businesses like consulting or coaching can bring in quick cash without heavy upfront investments. Do your research. Identify profitable niches and prioritize ventures with high return on investment. 2. Build a scalable business model. Hack number 2 is to build a scalable business model. A scalable business grows revenue without a matching increase in expenses. Think about subscription services, online platforms, or e-commerce stores. Once you set up the foundation, your growth potential is virtually unlimited. For example, Netflix earns revenue from millions of subscribers, but the cost of delivering content doesn't scale at the same rate. Find ways to automate processes and reach more customers without multiplying your costs. 3. Use other people's money. Hack 3. Leverage other people's money. This could mean seeking investors, applying for grants, or using crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. For instance, if you have a solid business idea but lack capital, investors can provide the funding you need in exchange for equity. Crowdfunding allows you to pre-sell your product, giving you working capital before you even launch. The key is to have a clear, compelling pitch that demonstrates why your business is worth the investment. 4. Tap into the power of networking. Hack 4 is all about networking. The right connections can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with mentors or advisors who can guide you. Often it's not just what you know, but who you know that makes the difference. Also, don't hesitate to collaborate with others. Partnerships can help you access new markets, share resources, and grow faster than going solo. To wrap it up, here are the 4 hacks to accelerate your wealth building journey. 1. Focus on high profit opportunities. 2. Build a scalable business model. 3. Leverage other people's money. 4. Tap into the power of networking. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Apply these hacks, and you'll be on the fast track to success. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and share your favorite hack in the comments below. Let's spark some success together.